Okay students, now in 17th question they are telling find the 20th term from the last term of an AP. Means आपको 20th term तो निकालने हैं, but that counting you will start from the last term. So whenever this type of tricky question is asked from the last term, means that counting should be from the last term. So what we are going to do in solution, first you will find common difference. So what is common difference? Common difference is 8 minus 3, it is 5. Okay, and here we are going to use the logic. What logic we are going to do is we will consider this last term as our first term. Okay, और जो normal common difference है, जो common difference अगर plus में, तो when we consider this last term as A, so in that case, okay, in this case what you are going to do, आपका common difference अगर positive है तो you will consider that as negative. Normal case में जो common difference आता है उसका we will change the sign. Okay, this process आप कब लगाएंगे? You will use this method only when you have to find any term from लास्ट. पीछे से अगर गिनती चालू करके आगे आना है तो लास्ट टर्म यू विल कंसिडर एज फर्स्ट टर्म, एंड जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है उसके हम साइन में चेंज करेंगे. इफ कॉमन डिफरेंस इन नॉर्मल केस कमिंग 5, तो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस यू विल कंसिडर एज माइनस. ओके, now you will put the formula. So what formula we are going to use? You know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. Now we are doing from last term, so this, so we have to find 20th term. A 20, so we have to find a we have considered 253 plus n is 20 minus 1, or d we will consider this minus 5. Understood why I am taking minus 5? When we have to consider it from last, so what it will become? 20th term. Okay, and this 20th term is from last. This trick you will apply only in that case. So 253 plus, पहले ये दोनों माइनस हो जाए दो, 90 इंटू माइनस 5, so plus minus, so it will be minus only, and 19 5s are, it will be okay. Now we will subtract, so what it will become? It will be 8 and then 158. Okay, so 20th term from last will be 158. You can write thus 20th term from last is 158. Clear?